Hello guys, welcome to K&VR Tech channel. This is Vivek and in this video we will discuss some programming. Many of us think that programming is very difficult and it is very difficult to learn and all. But actually programming is very easy if you know how to solve a problem. If you able to solve a problem, I mean that if you can find a logic, it is very easy to solve the problem or to write a code. Suppose I'm taking the concept of operators. Suppose I'm taking the operators operators program. This is the comment section, so this will not affect our program. Now I'm writing the header file hash include stdio.h. Now the main function. We can write integer main or void main, whatever, but the return value should be of same type. It will be integer, or if you write integer value. If you write void, just return, that's it. As we are performing now addition of two numbers that are integer numbers, I am declaring data type integer A, integer B, and I am using a third variable C to store the result of A plus B. Now I want to read the two integer values. Printf enter two integer values. While we are specifying the type of the data should be entered by the user, you should be clear, that is integer values. Suppose if you tell the user to enter two values, they may enter some float values, that will result in error. Okay, now I am reading this two integer values. I am reading two integer values, that's why I should use %d as format specifier, space %d. As we are reading two integer values, I am using two %ds and storing them in respective integer variables a and at the address of b. Now I am storing the result of a plus b in C. Here we are reading values of a and b. Okay, now values a and b is stored with respective values that are given by the user. So result C is equals to a plus b, right? Now C contains the value of a plus b, which is the required result or desired result. Now I am printing printf sum of the two numbers is percentile d. Here I am using percentile d because the output also is integer. Okay, percentile d comma, but we have to print C, just printing C. Now return 0. Why we should use return 0? We are declaring main as integer, that means main will return a value integer. Okay, that's why I am using return 0. Now compiling. Here we can use like this also, or else we can use F9 to compile, function F9. Okay, and to run F10, you can use F10 to run. Now we have to enter two integer values. I will take 2 space 3. See, sum of the two numbers is 5. This is the result. Okay. Now to perform, suppose we have to perform subtraction. Okay. A minus B. Here difference. First we should compare. Next we should run. I'm taking 2 and 1. Result is difference of the two numbers is 1. The first letter should be greater than the second letter, or else it will result negative value as our output. If I want to multiply two numbers, A star. Now product. Product of two numbers is percentage 2 and 3. Sorry, what I have written. This first I have to compile, right? F9 I have compiled. Now I am running 2 and 3. Result is 6. Now suppose I want to get the quotient A by B. I will get the quotient as a result, and now I just print division. Okay, compile. First, whenever you write code in C, we should definitely compile it, or else can't get the proper output. Next 3, or else I'll take 4 and 2. 4 by 2, the result is 2. Next, if I want to get remainder as our output, I'll use modular division operator. What we get? Remainder as output, right? Remainder. First we should compile F9. Next F10 to run. 4 space 2. We got 0, because if we divide 4 with 2, the remainder is 0. Or else if I want to compile it, next I want to run with the different values. They are 4 and 3. Output is 1, because if I do division with 3, the output is 1, because the remainder we get is 1. Okay, in this way we can use the operators. These are the operators we have in C. Those are arithmetic operators, not the operators. They are arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Okay, if we take a void, now if I compile it, it shows error in function main return with a value in function return void. It is showing that what the function we have written is returning a type of void, but we are returning a value. Here void is the right. Void means nothing. We should return nothing, but we are returning 0. So if I compile it, yes, compile, right? Return to run. That's it. This is the program of operators. Here, without using this third variable also, we can just simply place the expression here. Expression of A plus B. Suppose I am taking the addition. I'll keep this in the comment section. I'm running. First we should compile. Next I should run F10. Entering values 2 space 5. The remainder of the two numbers is 7. Sorry, not remainder, addition. I have not modified this one. Addition. F9. First, whenever you do any small modifications also, we should definitely compile, or else the previous code only executes. Okay. Now, suppose I am taking 3 and 4. Result is 7. One more thing, if you use scanf like this, whenever we run the program and I want to take two values 2 and 4, suppose to enter 4, what happens here means until you enter first it will check for the input of scanf will always check input of type integer until you get the another integer. It will ask the user to enter those values only. Suppose I am taking 1, sorry 1, I am taking 2. Until you press the another integer, it won't take any what input, any input. Until you press the integer only, it will take it. That is the function of the scanf. That's it. If you like this video, you please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the new updates in this C tutorials. Thank you.